Welcome in this video where we are going to have some fun with GitHub Copilot. So we are going to try to fetch the Bitcoin price using Python, and then we'll also try to compute the return over our DCA investment strategy. So let's try def fetch Bitcoin. Okay, we have some suggestion there. We have one that is using an API. Usually I don't like API because usually we need to log in, but maybe this one does not need any user information for login. So let's just have a look at the order propositions. Okay, no, it's using the same. I think it's the same suggestion. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So before doing anything, we will just copy paste this URL into our browser and see if we get something. Okay, amazing. So when we call this API from Coindesk, we get this response, and we can see we have the Bitcoin price in USD. Okay, great. Great. Also in Euro and also in GBP, so the UK currency. So we can try this. Let's put a bit of order there. Okay. And I don't like this IDE much, so I will just use Jupyter Notebook. Okay, of course, no return. We are not in a function. Okay, awesome. So we get the Bitcoin price in USD. We can maybe try in Euro. Okay, it's working as well. So what we want to do is to take as input a currency. Okay, awesome. And therefore, instead of returning in USD, we will return in USD in the currency. But I want GitHub Copilot to give me the suggestion, and it's giving me the suggestion. So perfect. So we're able to fetch the Bitcoin price, which is awesome. Now maybe let's try to fetch it during a time period. So between a start date and an end date. So we'll see if GitHub Copilot can also be useful there. So def fetch Bitcoin price, and we will do start date, end date. So fetch the Bitcoin price from the Bitcoin API. Okay, so we are using the same API, kind of. We see that the detail of the API is changing a bit because now we want some historic. There are some parameters, start date, end date. Okay, we'll try this. For now, it's not using the currency. We'll try to use it later on. So let's see if we can do something interesting there. So we can maybe do a start date equal 2022 0601. I hope the date format is okay. Maybe we need to work that. Of course, no return. Oh, great. So we have June 1st, June 2nd through June 10. 6, 7, 8. We can only go to the 8. Let's start 2021. Okay, great. So I don't know why we are we can only go to the 8. I don't know why is that. But anyway. Okay, that's great. And for some reason there we only have USD. Maybe we can try the params to add the currency. I don't know if this is possible. So, okay, we can see this value is 29k. If we do euro, does it work? 27. Okay, so awesome. We can use the currency there. So we'll do that. Okay, currency It's working well, so awesome. So we are able to fetch the Bitcoin price at the current time. We're able to fetch the Bitcoin price over a period of time. Maybe the last thing we can do is to try to compute the DCA return over a period of time. So if you are not familiar with DCA, it means you are investing frequently. So for example, you invest every day, for example, $5, and then it allows to smooth your investment and to be not to be protected to volatility. So we can maybe try that. Def compute DCA return. So maybe we'll do that. Start date, end date. Oh, compute the daily return of the Bitcoin price. So let's have a look. So it's fetching the prices from the start date to the end date with the given currency. So that's perfect. So as you've seen, these returns a dictionary. So it's taking the values on putting that into a list. So awesome. We then have a list with all the prices, and then it's computing the daily return. So what is it doing there? Okay, so we are almost there. Not really. So the return. So the return is the Bitcoin price at the given time. So the last value in the list divided by the average investment. So np.mean. Okay, and then we need to import NumPy. Okay, great. So we'll make sure that everything is working properly. We'll try that. And I need my imports. So let's try that again. Make sure it's still working. Okay, the issue is that I have two functions with the same name. That's not great. In period maybe. Okay, so let's try that. It's working properly. If we do this again, 2022, 1st of January, we'll do 2022, the 1st, March 3rd. It's working great. So if we want the value, we can do what was done there, is to take the dot values, and if we want, we can also convert that to a list. Okay, with all the prices, that's great. And we can even plot them with matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and we can do plt.plot. Okay, the evolution of the Bitcoin price from January 1st to the 3rd. Let's try something else. 2012. Okay, great. We can go to that much back in the past. And let's try the last function. Compute DCA return. To start, let's take a small period of time. So kilo -1 Bitcoin price. Okay, what we need to do is Bitcoin price list. Okay, so this is a return in percent. That means we would have done 3% because it's a ratio. Okay, we can keep it like this, so it's a okay, maybe we can multiply it by 100 and do -1. That means we have a positive return of 3%. Now let's say we had invested in 2012, so that will be a return of 400%, which seems not that much to me. Okay, anyway, I think that's fine. We can try. Okay, maybe we're going a bit too much in the past. Okay, anyway, so you can see that with that GitHub Copilot helps us a lot in this situation. So we were able to fetch the Bitcoin price, over a period of time, and also to compute the DCA return over a period of time without doing any Googling. So I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up. That really helps with this YouTube channel, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for having looked this video through the end.